A video for ICT-355-555 Systems Analysis and Design. The Group Business Case Project, Project Interval 6 Assessment. This assessment document, which is linked under the group project page for each project interval, is what your group and your instructor will utilize to assess the completion of the project interval. These assessment documents outline all deliverables you are being asked to create, start, and complete for each project interval. All of the deliverables you are being asked to complete are described in detail in the video, The Business Case. Use this as a guide when you are working on your project. In Interval 6, your project will be asked to complete the Executive Summary section. The Executive Summary section is essentially a one-page outline of the project in totality that can be shared with your leadership and executive teams. By this point of the project, you should have enough information to put into the Executive Summary and complete that section with this interval. You'll also be asked to make progress on your CRM prototype development. In Interval 5, we had you complete the systems design for Sprint 2. In this interval, Interval 6, you'll be asked to complete the development of the Sprint 2 items within your group CRM system. You'll also be asked to take the feedback that you received from your instructor, who is acting as your customer, based on the Sprint 1 demo that you provided. You'll take that feedback and make revisions to the development within the system and complete that additional development. You'll also be asked to do 2 demo presentations within this interval as well. You will be doing a presentation that demos the additional changes that you've made for Sprint 1, and you'll be doing a presentation of the demo for the items that you've built out in Sprint 2. These should be posted on your SharePoint site. You should also be updating your business case on your SharePoint site to match the Sprint 1 and Sprint 2 development items, including the additional development that you did for Sprint 1. This is to ensure that what's being documented for your business case matches what is being designed and developed. There are several resources available for your group to use when working on your group project intervals. You have the project overview video. You have your entire textbook, including chapters 1 through 12, and parts A through D, which is a systems analysis toolkit. You also have the example of the completed business case, a video of the business case, which details all of the different sections you are asked to complete with this project. And as always, you can contact your instructor if you have questions. You can expect after the interval that you will receive feedback on your interval submission from your instructor. You will receive a pass or fail grade. If you receive a fail grade and you've made an effort for the interval, you will have the opportunity to revise, doing continuous improvement, and submit to your instructor. Please note that it is your group's responsibility to communicate to your instructor if you are going to submit revisions for reassessment. If you receive a pass grade, your group should be utilizing the feedback received to continually improve your business case in preparation for the final project submission in Project Interval 7, which is the next interval that is coming up.